Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. As the snow ends tonight, our temperatures fall below freezing. Watch for icy spots, especially those typical areas like bridges and overpasses, side roads. It's going to turn cold again next week. Our temperatures will be struggling to even hit the 20s. So yes, again, we're trading in some of that snow for more cold, kind of going back and forth. Speaking of snow, some snowfall reports across the metro area. Anywhere from 3 to 7 inches seem to be the range with this particular snowstorm. Port Huron, nearly 7 inches on the day. Ann Arbor, almost 5. The same for St. Clair. You look down the list, almost 4 inches in Clarkston, and Royal Oak came in at about 3.5. We started with all snow earlier in the day. Some of us changed over to rain, sleet, and freezing rain. Then other areas just stayed as all snow north of the city. Now, for the month of January, I do want to reflect back on January. Average temperatures were just over 16 degrees. That is behind by 9 degrees. And you look at precip, we're ahead by almost an inch, and then snowfall, of course, just kind of blew that right out of the water with 39.1 inches of snow, making it the snowiest January and the snowiest month on record in Detroit. Now we look at February stats. For the start of the month, we see about 33 for a high. By the end of the month, nearly 40 degrees. And you see those temperatures even for the lows going up from 19 at the beginning of the month to 24 at the end of the month. Now, snowfall amounts, we average about 10.4 inches. We've already seen over 3, about 3.5, and we're likely going to see more this week, so we could be seeing certainly above average snowfall for the month of February. Looking at tonight, temperatures down into the low 20s, snow tapering off to flurries. Watch for icy and slick spots. Temperatures remain below freezing tomorrow, but a dry day for Sunday. Good news there, and a light west wind. And it is Groundhog Day. We'll see what happens with Woody the woodchuck over in Howell. And again, I think many of us can probably guess we're going to see more winter. We can see it right here in the 7-day upper teens on Monday. Does look dry by late Tuesday into Wednesday. That's the next storm system that we'll have to focus our attention on. Right now, we're not putting snow amounts on, a little early for that, but at least several inches expected. We'll be in the teens for Thursday and Friday, back into the 20s, and yes, more snow next weekend. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. I hope you have a great night.